Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the date and time settings on Google Chromecast 4.0. And to do this you need to navigate to your right so you can open the settings, then scroll down for the system, find the date and time, and here you can change any time or date related settings. So automatic date and time, make sure to use that as I would strongly recommend it. Disabling it may cause many network related issues, so let's try actually disabling it. And now we can set the date manually, also time manually. You can set the time zone for this device and you change between 24 hours and 12 hours clock format. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.